Hello and welcome guys to our YouTube channel Simplified. Today I will be explaining to you some of the fundamentals of trigonometry. So first of all, let's get an idea about the trigonometric ratios. There are three major trigonometric ratios. Those are sine, cos or cosine, and the tan or the tangent. So how do you identify these things in a triangle? Let's say this is a triangle. So we'll name the edges A, B, C. So this is a right angle triangle, right? So let's name this angle. This is the angle C. So consider the angle C. Okay. Then we define the sine of C as the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. So all of you know the hypotenuse of this triangle is the BC side, since it's the side in front of the right angle or the opposite in the right angle A. So the opposite side, so the side opposite to angle C is AB. So that is AB. And the hypotenuse, as I mentioned you earlier, it is BC. So the sine of the angle C in this right angle triangle is AB divided by BC. Let's take the cosine. So the cosine is defined as the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Sorry, I forgot to write C here. Cosine of C is equal to adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So the adjacent side to the angle C is AC. The hypotenuse, as we mentioned earlier, it is BC. Then let's find the tangent of this angle C. Tangent we call tangent as tan in trigonometry. Then tan C equals, it's ugly, so let's erase and rewrite it. Tan C equals, we define tangent of an angle in trigonometry as the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So the opposite side to angle C is AB. The adjacent side is AC. So here we have defined the tangent of the angle C. So if we summarize what we have learned that the sine of a given angle is equal to the ratio of opposite side to the hypotenuse of that triangle here. Then we have learned that the cosine of a given angle C is equal to the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. And then finally we learned that the tangent for a given angle is equal to the length of its opposite side divided by the length of its adjacent side. Please note, all of these are lengths. These are lengths, right? So I hope you learned a basic idea about trigonometry. So in the future videos, I will tell you how to solve problems using these definitions. Thanks a lot for watching this video. And if you have gained something from this video, please like this video and share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel too. Thank you very much. See you next time.